Hi, this video is for Kevin and Mikkel of The Scorpion Show. Hi Kevin and Mikkel, it's me. You're finally wondering what I look like. Well, here I am. I have a special surprise for the both of you. I remember one of you saying that no one ever sings you a happy birthday song. Well, I'll try my best to make you proud of me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kevin and Mikkel. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? 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 So, I guess because we didn't get a chance to spend the holiday together, it's only fair that I share a Christmas song with you as well. Chestnuts roasting on an open fire, Jack Frost nipping at your nose, Yuletide carols being sung by a choir, and folks dressed up like Eskimos. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe helps to make the season bright. Tiny tots with their eyes on a glow will find it hard to sleep tonight. They know that Santa's on his way. He's loaded lots of toys and goodies on his sleigh, and every mother's child is gonna spy to see if reindeer really know how to fly. And so I'm offering a simple phrase to kids from 1 to 92. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to The Scorpion Show. Happy New Year, Kevin and Mikkel. Bye-bye.